The South Shillong BJP MLA and Cabinet Minister SANBOR Shulai had expressed his views on the recent development in state politics and other important issues. It may be reminded that recently the state president of the BJP, EARNEST MAWRIE, had outrightly opposed to the working with the Congress in the MDA coalition government. SANBOR Shillai, while voicing his opinion on the recent offer of peace talks by the proscribed HNLC outfit, welcomed the move and said that the same has long been expected by the government. However, he felt that it is in the wisdom of the Chief Minister to take the issue forward.
This issue regarding this underground outfit or the insurgency, as a leader, as a social and political leader, we are very much concerned. This is a long expectation, aspiration to us as a leaders that this negotiation should end up as early as possible. So based on the statement that we have seen yesterday and today, that the HNLC and other outfit they have given a green signal that they are voluntarily coming back to the mainstream. They have given result to have a positive talk. They have given a positive response to have a positive talk in a negotiation table. So this is a very good move, and we are very happy. And it is the wisdom of the Chief Minister to tackle this issue positively.
On the BJP working together with the Congress party under the NPP-led MDA government, the BJP MLA said that he has no issues working together with not just the Congress but with other parties in the state.
You see Congress are what? This mere party only, BJP, Congress, there is that different kind of parties. Finally, once we are elected from various parties, finally the vision, the mission is to work for the development of the state and to maintain peace and harmony in the state. That is the vision of each and every elected responsible member. If he belong to any party also, but we should work together for the development and prosperity of the state as a whole.